जैसा कि सभी को विदित है, 22 दिसंबर को नेशनल मैथमेटिक्स डे मनाया गया था। उसी संदर्भ में ये सेल्फ चेकिंग टेस्ट पेपर डाले जा रहे हैं, जिससे ये छात्र मालूम कर सकें कि हमारी कहाँ तक तैयारी हुई है। क्लास 9th मैथमेटिक्स प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट पेपर नंबर 3 सेक्शन ई, 3 case study based questions of 4 marks each. Question number 36. During a when one Mahotsav week, 50 trees were planted by each school. After 1 month, the following number of trees survived in the 25 schools. ये सारणी है, इसमें वन लगाए गए थे 25 स्कूलों के, और उसमें से सभी ने 50 पेड़ लगाए थे और इतने इतने पेड़ सरवाइव हुए। अब इसके बेस पे क्वेश्चन आगे मिलता है। ड्रॉ ए फ्रीक्वेंसी टेबल यूजिंग क्लास साइज 5 और find the range of the given data. Second part, in how many schools plants survived between 35 to 40. Third question, which class size has minimum frequency? Question number 37. Ritesh opened a door at an angle of 43 degree to enter the class. In the races, he came out of the class by opening the door at an angle of 72 degree. After the races, he again opened the door at 43 degree and entered the class. The door length of 80 is 80 centimeter. First question. The types of the triangle formed by opening the door is blank. Second part. Which of the triangles are congruent? Third part. What is the measure of angle P? Option में in triangle ABC which is the longest side? Question number 38. M and Q school provides free education of underprivileged children. Municipal corporation of a city wants to open a school in the town on a rectangular plot. ABCD as shown in figure, but this plot belongs to Amar Singh, who has agreed to exchange it with a triangular plot PQR out of the town as shown in figure. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. First part. What are the coordinates of vertices C of rectangular plot? Second part. What is the perpendicular distance of point C from x-axis? Third part. What will be the coordinates of foot of perpendicular drawn from D on y-axis? Option में second part, third part का option, what is the length of BC?